Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights. Once confirmed, open Start and type Windows Security to launch the app. This step is critical because the firewall controls system-level traffic, so Windows protects those settings. Once the app opens, go straight to the Firewall and Network Protection tile. Make sure you're on the correct network profile. Domain, private, or public, choose the one you intend to change. If UAC prompts appear, accept them. This grants the permission required to modify firewall state quickly and say you'll now disable the firewall for the selected profile. Click the profile tile that shows active and flip the Microsoft Defender firewall switch to off. This stops the firewall from blocking inbound or outbound connections for that profile. That's why you should only disable it temporarily or on a secure network. Once you toggle off, Windows will ask for confirmation. Approve it. After disabling, test your specific app or connection to verify the change took effect and record which profile you modified. Complete the process by retesting the app or service that required the firewall off. Make sure the functionality you needed now works. When finished, re-enable the firewall or instead create specific inbound/outbound rules to allow only required traffic. This preserves protection. If you still have issues, restart the PC to apply changes and verify no third-party antivirus or firewall is overriding settings. Sometimes vendor software blocks toggles. If restart fails, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter to gather diagnostic info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.